Silas Jones here, and I'm back with another video. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately, it's just I've been doing some stuff and my phone's been stupid and all that. Sorry if you can't hear me, and sorry if you hear a noise, like a zzz noise. Phone's been stupid, and just wanted to notify you I'll probably upload next week or something. So yeah, sorry for the delay, and yes, I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next one. If you guys want to know like why I haven't been uploading, just tell me in the comment section below and I'll make a video. Sorry if you can barely hear me.